On Wednesday, June 5th, Hindu University of America, HUA, held an awareness and fundraiser event at Royal Albert's Palace in Fords, New Jersey. Prakash Wagmare, a longtime associate of HUA, encouraged attendees to pursue courses on Hinduism from bachelor's to PhD level. The event saw the presence of many dignitaries, including Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parikh, who highlighted the importance of the university in educating the second generation about their roots, Sanatan culture and traditions. Acharya Lokesh Muni, founder of Ahimsa Vishwa Bharati, emphasized Hinduism as a way of life that connects individuals to their culture, history, and ancient wisdom. Esther Dhanraj, Director of Community Outreach at HUA, described the institution's mission as an intellectual pursuit rather than merely a faith-based one, underscoring the university's role in promoting dialogue and self-discovery. The event served as a roadshow to spread awareness and encourage enrollment in HUA diverse programs.
It was revealed to the sages in their meditation, and actually Adi Shankaracharya ji is the one who wrote the Bhashyam, and then it started, people started understanding and knowing this. So along with our scripture, the Gita and Upanishad and
study of Hinduism to non-Hindus, primarily Westerners, Europeans, Americans, Westerners. The consequence of that is that what you find today in the academia and the media, consistently, I hope you know what I'm talking about, right? What you find about Hinduism, Hindutva, everything Hindu.
Hello, my name is Prakash Wagmare. I'm associated with the Hindu University of America for decades, almost you can say from the inception. And I must emphasize that the faculty of Hindu University of America is simply amazing. It is full of brilliant people, and I would in fact encourage everyone to take courses with the Hindu University of America, because they offer courses right from bachelor degree to till PhD.
I'm here to celebrate the progress of the Hindu University in Florida. It's a great initiative. Friend of mine who is a big supporter, Mr. Agrawal, and all the our Sangh friends, they all are very actively involved. And I think this university is, in my opinion, personal opinion, is very important, because not only, as Prakash ji said, that we must take the courses, but our second generation should take the courses, and they should know what is Hinduism, where we came from, what is our culture, Sanatan background, and so forth. And so I would encourage all the young generation to take these classes, and of course, we all adults should take, but young generation is more important, and that's only way to continue and propagate our great Hinduism.
अमेरिका में हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी स्थापित हो रही और उसकी अवेयरनेस का आज का कार्यक्रम बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हिंदू एक वे ऑफ लाइफ है जो कि हमारी संस्कृति, हमारी धरोहर, इतिहास और हमारा प्राचीन ज्ञान विज्ञान से हमें जोड़ता है। और वो जब अमेरिका की धरती पर हो रहा है तो और ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है। मैं समझता हूँ कोविड काल के बाद में पूरी दुनिया में भारतीय संस्कृति के प्रति वसुधैव कुटुंबकम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामय का संदेश जिस तरह प्रसारित हुआ है और कोविड काल के बाद में पूरी दुनिया में वेलनेस के प्रति हमारी भारत की जो महान विरासत है, मेडिटेशन, योग, आयुर्वेद, नेचुरोपैथी, ऑर्गेनिक, ये सब हमारा सनातन संस्कृति से जुड़ा हुआ, हिंदू संस्कृति से जुड़ा हुआ जितना ज्ञान है, विज्ञान है, वाङ्मय है, वो इसके माध्यम से उजागर होगा और पूरी मानव जाति के लिए, पूरे विश्व के लिए उपयोगी साबित होगा। तो मैं आज न्यू जर्सी के इस अल्बर्ट रॉयल पैलेस के अंदर हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी की जागृति के लिए आयोजित कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से मैं पूरे अमेरिका में बस रहे लोगों को अपील करना चाहता हूं कि आइए, इससे जुड़िए। ये हमारी महान विरासत से, ज्ञान विज्ञान से, संस्कृति से जोड़ेगा और एक जीवन जीने की कला, एक वे ऑफ लाइफ से जोड़ेगा, जिससे कि लोग अधिक स्वस्थ, सुखी और आनंदमय जीवन जी सके। मैं अहिंसा विश्व भारती संस्था की ओर से, विश्व शांति केंद्र की ओर से, वर्ल्ड पीस सेंटर की ओर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं इस अवसर पर। ओम अरहम।
Namaste. I am Yelloji Rao Mirajkar. Many of you know me. Hindu University was a concept long time ago. I think now it is getting a shape and is becoming a reality. The journey of this university is thought to last for several hundreds of years. Obviously, that means its rooting has to be very, very firm. And I'm glad being associated with this for last couple of decades that it is indeed rooted with the Hindu thoughts. The point which I always contemplate is that what is our role? See, in Hindu Dharma, we talk about 4 runas: Matru Runa, Pitru Runa, Samaja Runa, and Deva Runa. I'm not sure whether we would be able to be clearly come out of that runa or debt. However, if you really think, the practically what we can do is paying forward, that is a Samaj Runa. And I think the way Hindu University is constructed today, positioned today, and aimed today is in terms of giving all of us an opportunity to do that part of Samaj Runa. If you change the hat into an entrepreneur, in the early days when the concept is there, whom they reach for the funds? The friends and the family. And I believe the stage where we are today and where HUA is today, it needs a lots of friends and family. I think with collectively support from the community, it is definitely going to become a great success.
Namaste. My name is Esther Dhanraj, and I have the pleasure of serving as the Director of Community Outreach with Hindu University of America. We are a 30-year-old, almost 30-year-old institution, but after several ups and downs that we've had, in 2019, we have started the rejuvenation of Hindu University of America, and we are about to take off into the world's only Hindu university that imparts education on Hinduism through an rigorous academic, as an intellectual pursuit, more than the faith pursuit. So today we are assembled here in New Jersey, and we are actually on a road show spreading awareness about the Hindu University of America. Not many Hindus in America know about it. So we are on this, we are determined to make every Hindu in America aware of the Hindu University of America. And as we do these road shows, I mean, this is so overwhelming. The goosebumps moment when we hear from Hindus how proud they are, how happy they are that an institution like this is being built. So I invite, through this medium, I want to invite every Hindu that is listening to this today to know us, to align with us, and to help us grow. And this is how we grow together. So this event particularly was put together by the New Jersey Friends of HUA chapter, and we are very happy to share this word and spread this word.